So this is my new wrench set. Check it out. This was 27 bucks. I'm very interested to see what this looks like. Let's move this junk out of the way. I got it all tied up here. All right. So, wow, oh, look at this. For 27 bucks. Wow. That is awesome. So here you are, and you got the American style ones, right? I mean, and then you got the metric style ones. So you basically got every kind of wrench you want, 24 set. So I think this is the one I'm gonna need. That one right there, to get that thing off. Or it might be this, depending if it's metric or not, but we'll figure it out. But anyway, that's my new wrench set. What do you guys think? 27 bucks. That's like $1.10 a wrench. They feel a little, they could be right here, that's a little rough right there, but I think they're gonna work. I mean, for the price, you can't really ask for more. And it comes in this cool case, so you can wrap them all up like this. I mean, it's heavy too. That's it right there. Then just tie them up. Bam. Bob's your uncle. All right, so let's go ahead and tie them up here. Just like you would a shoelace. I think that'll work. I don't know. Maybe not. Bam. So there you go. Ready to go. I'll put these out in the garage. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like that.